can flow, how it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Let's just talk about my hair really quickly. I don't know what to do with it. Help me. I don't know what to do. I want to keep it loose when I go see my aunts tonight because, you know, it's nice to be presentable. But at the same time, I'm itching. My face is itching because of the topical creams that I'm on. The acne medication, it's making my face itch and my hair is making it worse. You know, my hair touching my face. So for now, it's going to stay out of my face. Anyhow, my plans are La Llorona tonight, and that movie looks really scary, so I'm most likely going to watch it through my fingers. That's how I watch scary movies. And then after that, we have to go see my aunts, my husband's aunts, Tia Daisy and them. Tia Daisy and them are hilarious. They roast all night long. Like, I love hanging out with them. Honestly, them and all of the aunts, like John's aunts, are just roasters. They're professional roasters. They get at everybody, and it's kind of fun to be around it. I'd be cracking up. Anyhow, the top that I'm wearing is a nylon stretch tattoo top that I got from Urban Outfitters a few years back for $40 or $39. It's a really great top, great quality. I've had it for years. It's still strong nylon. It's very, very tight on me still. So it's beautiful, great quality, well made, beautiful tattoo print, and it's very sheer, but this is my nude. It's my shade of nude, so it blends into my flesh pretty well. I love it. I wear tight blouses every time I wear low cut pants because I can't find another way to make low cut pants look great on me unless I'm wearing it with a tight top. Anyway, the print goes from front to the back. You see the mermaid in this? I never even noticed that. There's a mermaid right there. That looks so dope. I think there's a parrot. Oh, this is the first time I'm looking at this shirt. Wow, that looks nice. Anyway, yes, so the top is dope. Love it. I'm pairing it today with these vintage retro Joe Boxer striped corduroy wide leg pants. These might be on sale on my Depop Poshmark and eBay. So the handle is Isabel's Garments. If you're interested, check it out. Also, these were tailored, so look out for the measurements above all else with anything that I sell because a lot of times I get things tailored to fit my body beautifully. Anyhow, let me show you the pants. I have to back up and change the light. So just one moment. Sexy pose. So again, I apologize for the strong, stark white light. It's the only thing I can do to, you know, to show you the actual colors of my clothing because I live in the back of the building and it's really dark. So these are them. Very, very comfortable corduroy stretch, and you know, they fit me kind of loose, so they're really comfortable. This is a perfectly comfortable outfit for a Friday night when you want to look cool, but you need to be comfortable because I need to be comfortable. If I'm not comfortable, I'm not having fun. And if I'm not having fun, I'm going home. Anyway, so I'm wearing these with my Tiva Samoras that I recently painted. I did a DIY video. I showed you how I turned these from black and white to all black. If you haven't seen it, please be sure to check it out. I look super busted in that video, but it was late at night. I had just come out the shower. My hair was just washed and it was drying slowly. So in the beginning of the video, I look okay-ish, but by the time my hair starts drying, it looks kind of funny, and I look kind of funny. It's okay though, I don't mind. Anyway, yes, this is the outfit. I have to wear, you see how the pants are a little loose in my butt? If you have a nice round booty, these will be great for you because I have tush, but not quite, you know, not a lot of meat, you know, like other girls. So those other girls will fill these up like, wow. Me, I kind of fill them up all right. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know what jacket to wear, but I need to wear a jacket even though it's a nice day. It's like 70 degrees today. I need to wear a jacket because I'm going to see La Llorona. So I'm going to be in the theaters. I'm going to be cold. Help me decide. So these are my Ray-Bans. They're prescribed. I do not leave the crib without them. I don't care if it's raining outside. This is what I wear every single day. So I'm trying to decide between denim and the blazer. I think the blazer gives me a cool grown-up look and the denim gives me a cool look. I love this denim jacket. It's the thing I'll never sell. It has 2 inside pockets. Super clutch. Beautiful. Classic cut. Anyhow, so this is the denim jacket. Paired with the outfit. Very pretty. Very cool. I'll do a little spin for you. cool, it's easy. I like it. I do. Looking at myself in the monitor, I think it looks nice, but I'm not sure. So let's see. That was a little pose for a thumbnail, maybe. Who knows what the thumbnail is gonna look like. So now the thrifted Topshop blazer that is so dope. I have a funny story about this. I sold this on my Depop, and then I refunded the buyer her money, and she was pissed. But I wasn't ready to let it go. It's so perfect on me. When am I gonna find this again? You know, that's this perfect. So I refunded her money. Anyhow, what do you think about this one? I love this one. This one just looks cool. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think my husband will be like, "Oh, excuse me, miss," when he sees me. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. Anyway, I don't even know what purse I'm wearing, but most likely my satchel there has everything I need. Anyway, that's the outfit. How should I pose? Maybe like that. What would make people click? Because I do want this channel to be successful. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. That's my outfit for Friday. And thank you very much for watching. I'm going to, well, I'm not signing off. We have Saturday still and Sunday. Anyway, thank you anyway. Hello, it is Saturday, 420. Happy 420 to those of you who rejoice in the holiday. I am going to a few 420 parties today. I just want to say this to any future employers. I do not partake in the recreational, medicinal part of the activities. I just celebrate because I'm happy to be alive. So I'm going to go and party a bit. I want to be dressed really casually. I have jeans and a t-shirt on today. So the t-shirt is Gems and Hologram, and in the back you have the Gem and the Hologram World Tour dates. It says 1986. This is a very, very vintage cartoon. I do not know how old anyone is watching this, but I'm an 80s baby, and this was my favorite cartoon growing up. In a lot of ways, Jerrica, the Gem, the star of the group, she reminds me of Beyonce. She does a lot of goodwill, and she's a rock star, so it just, there's a lot of similarities between her and Beyonce. Anyway, yes, so this top with my Levi's that I thrifted, and let me just change the camera. Oh, I completely cut myself out of it. Okay. So the Levi's that I'm wearing were thrifted a while back. I had my tailor fix them up for me. They were really big on me. So if you look there, you see that blue mark? That's where the Levi sign used to be before he had to cut it up, cut it open, move things around, and that's how the Levi sign got all the way over here. Anyhow, right there it says Petite Belle. That's by me. All this artwork and this poetry is done by me. I took a Sharpie to it a while back. I have a video that I talk where I talk more about these jeans. I'll be sure to link it. And the shoes that I'm wearing are the Zamoras that I DIY'd. I've been wearing them every day ever since I DIY'd them the other day and turned them all black, painted them black. If you're interested in that video, I'll be sure to link it. Yeah, so it's just a really basic outfit. I'm going to throw on this denim jacket. Let's see, maybe I should adjust the screen. So this will be the entire outfit. I'm wearing this jacket because it has two great big pockets. I can put my ID, debit card, cell phone, lipstick in one pocket, and in the other pocket I could put a pair of socks just in case my feet get cold later. Like I said, it's a rainy, cool, gray day in New York, and I want to be prepared. I don't like to be cold. So it's really cute because it just has this really two-tone denim look, really casual, really mellow, perfect for 420, I think, and that's it. I'm really shiny, but that's nothing new. My neck is extra shiny today though, because that's where I sprayed my perfume. Anyway, tomorrow is Easter, and I'll be sharing that last outfit for the weekend. Today is Sunday, Easter, so happy Easter to those of you who celebrate. I am wearing a simple, casual, comfortable Easter outfit. I'm calling it an Easter outfit because it is, you know, pastel, light colors that are always associated with Easter. Anyhow, the top that I'm wearing is a patchwork top that I got from the Goodwill a long time ago. The patchwork is all the way wrapped around the sleeves, but not quite in the back. And I almost left it because I really like the sweater, but not enough to ignore that the patchwork is not all over. It makes the sweater look a little cheap to me, but the patchwork design was too pretty. The colors were too perfect. I had to take it, so I did. So the skirt that I'm wearing is a beautiful patchwork skirt that it's getting loose on me. So I'm trying to avoid showing you that, but there's no way around it. Anyway, it's just a beautiful patchwork design. The patchwork goes all around, and then you have a beautiful floral overlay. it's gorgeous. It matches this sweater beautifully, and so it's like an accidental set. I talked a few videos back about how to create your own set, how to thrift your own set, and that's basically by following the color scheme. If you want to create a set that looks like it was meant to be a set, then all you have to do is look for the same color scheme. Like you see here, these two, top and bottom, follow the same color scheme, and a lot of designers, they follow patterns, and so you can definitely DIY a set at the Goodwill or any thrift store, because like I said, designers follow certain color scheme patterns. Anyway, I'm pairing this outfit today with my Ray-Bans that I wear every day, and my Tiva Zamora sandals that I DIY'd. I'm trying to decide if I want to look cleaner than I usually look, because you know that I usually keep it super casual. So I have a dark blue denim belt and a light blue denim belt, and I'm not sure if I want to cinch the waist at all. I feel like cinching the waist will give me a cute figure, like it will bring out my figure, but then it would just make me look cleaner than I want to look. I don't really want to look all the way put together. Like I don't want it to look like I really thought about this outfit. I don't like to look like that, like I put thought into an outfit. Anyhow, yes, you see, it gives me a clean look. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Anyway, that is my outfit for today. So Sunday's our last day in what I wore this weekend. Let me know if you like this video. This is something different for us. Let me know if you like it. If you want to see more of it, I can do what I wore this week, what I wore this weekend, what I wore Friday night, anything. I find that these videos are easy. Like this video, this experience of showing you what I wore for the weekend has been a delightful one. I'm myself, I'm free, I'm not overthinking anything. I'm on the way out the door, so I can't overthink. I can just give you the details and that's it, and I kind of love that. Anyway, that's what I wore this weekend for the weekend of Good Friday, 420, and Easter. So yes, I hope you have a great Sunday night. Game of Thrones is on tonight, so I might be shooting a quick fan perspective tomorrow morning and just uploading it like I did last time with messy hair and all that. Like, no worries. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, hitting your notifications so that you are aware of my uploads. Thank you again.